Hi everyone, here we've got an OPPO Reno 5 and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So firstly we have to open the recent, and you can do it using two different ways. It depends what kind of navigation bar actually you've got set. So if you've got the navigation bar with buttons just like me, all you have to do is simply tap on this three bars icon in the left corner. But if you've got the gestures, then all you have to do is simply swipe your finger up very gently and hold it somewhere here. So let me tap on it, and as you can see here we've got the list of previously opened apps. If you'd like to close only one of it, then find it and swipe it up just like that. It's quite easy. But if you'd like to remove all of them, just tap on close all. As you can see, we just got back to the home page, so let's enter the recents again. And here we've got no recent tasks, so it means that we just successfully closed all running apps. So actually that's all. This is how to close background apps in your OPPO Reno 5. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.